Lost every single BMW key, and now your car feels like an expensive metal statue sitting in your driveway. No spare, no backup, no easy way out. That sinking feeling hits hard, especially when you realize modern BMW G Series cars are designed to shut everything down the moment the last key disappears. But here's the truth most people never hear. Even when all keys are gone, your BMW is not finished. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how professionals bring a BMW G Series back to life from zero keys, the real tools that work, and the critical steps that decide success or disaster. Welcome to Baabji Motors. This is Hussein, and this channel is all about real-world automobile diagnostics and programming, explained clearly without the dealership mystery. If you find value in deep, practical automotive knowledge like this, take a quick second to like the video and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow and reach more technicians and learners. Quick disclaimer before we go any further. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything discussed here is intended to help technicians, students, and automotive enthusiasts understand the process. Always follow manufacturer procedures, local laws, and proper authorization when working on vehicle security systems. All trademarks belong to their respective owners. Now here's the big question I want you thinking about as we go through this. When all BMW keys are lost, is the biggest risk actually programming the new key, or is it damaging a security module beyond repair? Stay with me till the very end, because I'll give you one crucial insight most technicians learn only after an expensive mistake. Let's talk about the nightmare first. Losing all BMW keys is not just inconvenient. On a G Series BMW, this is a full Immobilizer lockout. No start, no ignition authorization, no way to move the vehicle without specialized access. On platforms using FEM, BDC, or CAS4 systems, the key data is deeply encrypted. This means you cannot just add a key like older BMWs. The car must trust the new key, and trust has to be rebuilt from scratch. This is where many people panic and rush straight to the dealership. And yes, the dealership can solve it, but often at a shocking cost and with long waiting times. The good news is that professional-level tools allow independent technicians to perform the same job safely and legally when done correctly. The most important tool for this job, the absolute centerpiece, is the Autel IM608 or IM608 Pro. This tool is widely used because it can communicate directly with BMW Immobilizer systems like FEM, BDC, and CAS4. It supports all keys loss procedures, reads security data, and performs guided key learning when conditions are correct. Alongside the IM608, you need BMW-compatible smart keys that are virgin or properly prepared. These are not generic remotes. They must match the correct frequency, transponder type, and encryption used by the specific G Series model. Using the wrong key is one of the fastest ways to fail the job. A stable power supply is non-negotiable. During key programming, voltage drops can corrupt Immobilizer data. You must use a professional battery support unit that maintains steady voltage throughout the process. Skipping this step is like performing surgery during an earthquake. Before connecting any tool, pre-diagnosis matters. Verify vehicle identification, confirm the Immobilizer system type, and check for previous programming attempts. Many failed jobs come from cars that were already partially programmed incorrectly. Once the IM608 is connected, the process begins with automatic vehicle identification. The tool determines whether the vehicle uses FEM, BDC, or a CAS4 architecture. From there, it accesses the Immobilizer menu and confirms that all keys are lost. The key learning procedure involves reading Immobilizer data, authorizing security access, and then writing new key data into the control unit. The tool will guide you step by step, but this is not a rush job. Each stage must complete successfully before moving forward. If key learning fails, common causes include unsupported software versions, incorrect key type, unstable voltage, or locked security states due to previous attempts. This is where experience matters. Knowing when to stop is just as important as knowing how to continue. Module identification is critical. On many G Series vehicles, the BDC is extremely sensitive. Incorrect access or interruption can permanently damage it. That is why legal authorization, correct procedures, and patience are essential. After programming, verification is mandatory. Test ignition authorization, remote locking, comfort access if equipped, and alarm functions. A programmed key that starts the car but fails remote functions is not a completed job. Here's the moment of truth. The biggest risk in all keys lost BMW programming is not the key. It is the Immobilizer module itself. Most failures come from rushed attempts, unstable power, or incorrect tool usage. My personal view after years in diagnostics is simple. If you work on modern BMW security systems, invest in proper tools, proper training, and never cut corners. These cars reward precision and punish shortcuts. Here's a fun, but serious tip. The cheapest BMW key job is always the spare key, made before you lose the last one. So let me answer the question I asked earlier. The real danger is not programming the new key. It's damaging the Immobilizer by ignoring preparation and procedure. If this helped you understand BMW G Series, all keys lost programming on a deeper level, drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I genuinely read them. One last insight before we wrap up. Many modern BMWs are moving toward tighter digital key security, meaning future programming will become even more restricted. Learning these systems now puts you ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this breakdown, show your support with a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments if this topic hit home for you. And if you want to directly support Baabji Motors and help us keep producing deep technical content like this, consider joining the channel membership. It makes a real difference. Thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next Baabji Motors video.